I was gonna hear all that. My asshole's up right off this ground.
Oh.
Like, instead of the horses doing it, the Troy Flowers are gonna do it.
A couple of them probably had a hard test down there.
We're gonna see Sassy croaked over in the field with all four legs up. Ranger's gonna be like that. This is his first year of this. Breeze is probably gonna be like that.
I don't think that's it yet.
Looks like they like more. Yeah.
I think they're just checking.
They're checking the tubes.